Hey everyone, Pixy has had their comeback Reborn and I have my albums. This album is without Ella, she's still on hiatus. I ordered from K-Town for you and we've got 3 pre-order cards. We've got Dia, Dajeong, and Sua. So I did decide to only collect Dajeong for Pixy. These cards are super cute though. But their albums, these albums, there are 3 cards per member for each version, and it was just, I think, like 45 cards per member, and it was just too much. And if I'm being honest, a lot of them are very similar, and it's kind of annoying when they do that, and I will be selling my OT6 Pixy collection except for Dajeong and the butterfly set from the first album, because that's one of my favorite photo card sets ever. But yeah, so this is their albums. I think they're just called the white, black, and purple version. We had 3 versions this time, and they strayed away from their old album packaging, which I guess they're reborn right now, so it makes no sense. These really make me think they are in jail. And they slide out the side. So I'm gonna guess inclusions are in here, maybe. And this is the photo book. So Villain is not my favorite title track. Wings still holds that place. The feeling when I first saw that, Wings and the music video and their sound, it was just awesome. But I still really like them. I think Deja Vu is my favorite song on this album, and Swan Song is very good as well. Oops. So I think there is 2 photo cards, a lenticular, and something else in here. And all of the pre-order sites are doing like unit cards. So there's 7 total because it's like 2 members and 3 members. So yeah, there's just a lot of pre-order things. I never really collected pre-orders anyway for them. So our lenticular is Dia. And we've got a Dajeong, which I'm so happy about. I feel like her cards aren't as easy to find for some reason. And a Lola. And then this is like a postcard lyric something set. So these have the lyrics on the back. And then there is stickers and a folded poster. I actually think this poster is really nice. They all look really good. I feel like I'm really missing Ella. Let's come back. I'm sure everybody is. The black version, same thing, booklet thing with all the cards and stuff in it. I love these outfits. I don't think they've really done much in them. Hope they do some like stages or something with these ones. I like the red and black. So we've got another Loa. This one's really cute. Got a Satbiel, and a Sua lenticular. These are the stickers. Second poster. Again, I think this one's really nice as well. Special appearance of dogs. And the last version is the purple version. Really like this purple color. I will say I hate this dress that they keep putting her in. It looks like an 80s prom dress to me. Also, I'm not really fond of these pants either. So I'd say these purple ones are probably my least favorite outfits. I really just don't think that the dress fits with the other outfits. I don't know. We've got Sua for the lenticular, another Dajong, and another Alola. These stickers. Poster is this way instead. This wouldn't be a bad poster either if Lola's dress was not the main focus here. So there is all my pulls. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video.